Hello everyone, welcome back to Artistil. This video is about how to shade a face. This is the first part of this video. Today we will cover shading of eyes, nose and skin. So if you really want to learn something about this topic, watch this video till the end. Generally, I start with eyes. It's up to you, you can start from the part you're comfortable with. I have done a proportion of the eye. Now I'm doing iris. Never try to obtain dark shade at once. We will use layering. As we all know that eyeball is not pure white, so we have to shade in that also. Now we will start drawing eyelashes. Don't draw it straight. Always go in the direction as they are your reference image. Keep patience and take plenty of time to draw individual hair. Now we will start with eyebrow. Always do the base shading first. Blend it properly with blending stump or a brush. Now add on the second layer. Here also go in the direction of the hair. No need to hurry. Also don't forget to blend it with blending stump or brush. Similarly, we will do second eye. Now we will do upper eye. Observe your reference image and shade accordingly. Don't forget to observe where your shadows are. And again, don't try to jump directly on the darkest layer. It's important to add highlights in iris. This helps to look it more attractive overall. No need to use battery eraser. You can leave some space for highlights instead. Continue shading around the eye until you are satisfied. Better if we work on small area at one time. It helps to avoid confusion where to shade first. Add necessary highlights and details wherever required. Continue shading rest of the skin. Take smaller area at once. If we are blending a large area, we use tissue paper, and in case of smaller areas, we use blending stump or brush. Whenever you think that more details should be added to any part, then you are free to do it anytime. Now we are drawing outlines for nose. By making outlines, we are just securing the place for nose. Now we will shade around the right eye as we did for the left eye. Now we are starting with nose. Look into your reference image and shade the shadow areas. We don't have to use dark pencil immediately. Start with lighter one. Use kneadable erasers to create highlights on the nose. Blend it properly and start drawing nostrils using dark pencil. Follow same steps for the right side of the nose. Shade with light pencil first, that is, do layering from light to dark, then blend it and create highlights using kneadable or Tombow eraser. Even normal eraser with sharp end will work the same. Now fill the gap between eyes and nose to connect them. So that's all in this video. Make sure you don't miss the next part. Thanks for watching.